Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials: a chimney starter, charcoal, and a safe space. Place the chimney on the lower grate and fill it loosely. Do not pack so air moves. Add 1/4 cup of natural fire starter under the chimney. You can use newspaper or a wax cube. Light the starter in 2-3 spots so flames spread evenly. Make sure vents are open. This encourages airflow and faster ignition. Once flames climb through the chimney, you'll be ready to move to the next step. Once the coals show a gray exterior and a steady orange glow, you're in control. Tip the chimney and pour coals into the grill's center. Be deliberate and steady to avoid scatter. For searing, form a concentrated pile. For indirect cooking, push coals to one side or split into 2 piles. Use long-handled tongs to arrange a 2-zone layout so you can move food between hot and cooler areas. Make sure vents remain open. They regulate oxygen and overall temperature. Replace the grate and preheat for 5-10 minutes. This burns off residue and stabilizes heat. You control temperature by adjusting bottom vents for oxygen and the top vent for draft. Open more for higher heat, close slightly for lower. If flames die or temperature drops, add 5-10 hot coals from the chimney or crack the bottom vent a little to boost airflow. If smoke is dense and acrid, close vents briefly and let coals burn clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.